Ghost Puppy, Way of the Samurai Baby. She gives her war cry, announcing battle. Battle to all of the other samurai babies. They better watch her fierce swing. Her triumphant cough. She will tear your bed up. That's how bad she is. Ghost Puppy, Way of the Samurai Baby. Oh yeah, they're not ready for you, Ghost Puppy. Show them the moves. Show them the moves I showed you. Whoa, yeah. Yeah. Show them. I'm gonna cut you in half, Daddy.
Alright, you wear your knockabouts today.
That's what samurais do. They learn from their mentor and then they kill their mentor.
So wait, are you killing Mommy?
No, Daddy's her mentor, silly.
Oh wait, well, who is Mommy?
Mommy is Ghost Cat. Daddy's Ghost Dog. This is Ghost Puppy.
Wait, a cat and a dog together have a puppy.
Mommy, don't confuse things.
Okay.
The Way of the Samurai Baby is
A complicated
it's a complicated world. It's a complicated world. I wear my pants as a hat. That's what samurai babies do.
Well, here, you wear those pants as some pants later on in the day. You need water?
I drink water straight from the creek. No. Or from the glass. Jordan, you can't. Oh. Beanie, you can't just leave your blade laying around like this. Somebody could hurt themselves. Ow! Cut myself on your deadly blade.